If your sink is draining slower than molasses, you gotta handle that clog before it turns into a full-on mess. Alright, so first off, grab a plunger and give that slow drain a few solid plunges. Sometimes that's all it takes to push the clog through. If that doesn't cut it, try using a drain snake. It's like a little flexible tool that can wiggle into the pipes and pull out whatever's blocking the flow. Don't forget to check the trap under your sink, the U-shaped pipe that catches debris, because it can get gunked up with hair, food scraps, or other nasties. You can unscrew it carefully and clean out any gross stuff hanging out in there. Another trick people swear by is pouring a mix of baking soda followed by vinegar down the drain. It fizzes and breaks down grime naturally. After that fizz party, flush everything with hot water to wash away the loosened junk. Repeat these steps if needed, but be patient. Sometimes slow drains take a couple tries. Oh, and avoid using harsh chemical drain cleaners since they can damage your pipes over time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slow draining sinks is ignoring the problem until water starts backing up everywhere, which just makes things worse. Fix that by acting early when you notice the slowdown. Another common issue is relying too much on chemical cleaners that eat away at pipes and cause leaks. Instead, stick with natural methods like baking soda and vinegar or mechanical tools like a plunger or snake. Lastly, not cleaning the trap regularly can let clogs build up again and again, so make it a habit to check and clear it out every few months to keep water flowing smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle and stress. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more work, the site helps connect you with people ready to start their home projects right away.